go across to Nimesh for D-State chatter. Nimesh, been very volatile today. You tell us, what have you picked up?
Hi, Nujana. It looks like it's a consolidation which is going on for the last couple of days, and clearly, on the upside now, around 18,000, 18,050, there is a bit of resistance on the Nifty. However, on the downside, we are pretty much close to that crucial support of 17,450 on the Nifty, so that's something to watch out. The overall feedback is only if you break 17,200 on the downside, maybe there will be some bit of panic selling. There is no panic selling, so to speak, in today's trading session. The flows are going to be all over the place because of the FTSE rebalancing. There is Sensex and the Wisdom Tree rebalance as well. And do remember, FTSE list was pretty much in the market for the last 2-3 weeks. So there is a bit of pre-positioning as well in some of those FTSE rebalancing stocks. So that's why I'm saying the FIDI number today is going to be all over the place. In terms of in terms of sectors, again there's a clear trend of the selling continues in the technology names. On the other side, the financials is the one space where there's continuous buying coming in. Now, after the big move in the large cap bank stocks, there is a bit of sense that maybe now people are looking to chase the down the line MFIs and the NBFCs as well. So a bit of buying is back in that space as well. But net, the feedback is we are still in a consolidation phase. No panic selling yet, and we are pretty much close to the Nifty support of 17,450, 17,400 levels on the downside.
Okay, and in terms of stocks, Nimesh, what have you picked up?
So in terms of individual names, Anuj, the first stock is Eastrip. That stock is buzzing in trade in a weak market. That stock is up 7%. Volumes are also on the higher side. Looks like there's going to be some corporate development early next week. So that's something to watch out in this particular stock. The second stock is APL Apollo Hospitals, APL Apollo Tubes. Even, this stock is buzzing in trade today. So in the mid-cap space, there is a bit of outperformance in select pocket, and APL Apollo Tubes is buzzing today in today's trade. In fact, this month, the stock is up 16%, and the chatter is one of the leading influential investor has been an active buyer, and hence a bit of outperformance in that stock. And the last stock is Embassy Office Space. There was a large block deal, and that's the reason why the stock is under pressure today, 3% down. And I believe one of the leading private equity investor was a seller in today's block. So the disclosure will be important. But as I said, there is selective buying in the mid-cap space, and those stocks are outperforming trade today.